So ladies and gentlemen, so these questions that can come up on the SAT test, for example, or other tests in class as professionals and things like that. So we should be able to work them out. So what's happening here? So if x power 10 equals to 5 and x power 9 over y equals to 5555, so that means 5,555, what is the value of 1 over xy? What's that value? What can we do? So what do we know? So we have 1 over x y times y. So x here, so x is x10, but x10 equals to 5. So we don't have only x here, but we know the value of x10. So we can't do anything about that, okay? So what about y? Can we get y by using this equation here? I think we could do that, all right? So what we can do is we have x9 over y equals to 5,555. All right, to solve for y, we can have multiple ways of doing that. We can cross multiply. We can multiply both equations by y, okay, in order to cancel this one. So we end up with x power 9 equals to what? 5555y, okay? So that's good so far. So if this is what we have, so now we're solving for y, so what are we going to get? So to solve for y, it's just a matter of dividing both sides by 555 and then 555. So then y equals to x power 9 over 5555. All right, so that's y. So what can we do with that? So we can take this now and plug it in here. So what are we going to get? So we end up with, so we have 1 over, so we take this now, so we have 1 over x times x9 over 5555, okay? So this is what we have. So because this is what we have, so what's going to happen? So now this is just the same thing as, so I'm going to take it, back over here now. So this one will give us what? It's going to give us 1 over x times x power 9 is going to give us what? X power 10, because when you multiply the same base, you add the powers. Go back to our previous videos on the YouTube, then you can find this. So this will give you x10 over 5555. All right? Guess what? x10, we know it. So x10 equals to 5. So we can replace it. So this is 1 over 5 divided by 5555. Can we simplify those two? Yes, because 5 can divide into these. That will give us what? 1 over 1 over 1, 1, 1, 1. All right? So this can get a little tricky. It's not difficult, but it can just get a little tricky. So now you have 1 divided by 1 over 1, 1, 1, 1. So we know how to divide two fractions, so that will give us what? So this is just the same thing as 1 over 1 times 1, 1, 1 over 1. Because when we divide in two fractions, we keep the first fraction, we change the division to multiplication, and we flip over the second fraction. So that's what we do. So all 1's gone. We end up with 1, 1, 1, 1, which is just our answer here. So that's B. This one is correct. That's what we're looking for. All right?